Your face. Bye, Dian! See you later! Okay, get inside! Buckle up! Oh, so you're making a building, a house?
Yeah, I'm building a house, mommy.
Sophia building a house, so very serious. Oh my gosh, so serious. You put it in there.
Yeah, she's making her own design.
Making her own design.
Yeah.
Correct, oy.
You put a rope on, huh? Look at that, honey. You made your own design. Very good. Good job, honey. Girl, look at Michael's gonna be surprised when he sees it.
More, she said
You want
more.
more? Get some more? What are we gonna build? Alright, honey. Here. Put this side. Here. Good job. Wow.
That's so
Yeah,
nice.
two-story building, honey. Oh my goodness.
Two-story building.
Took Michael's building and she put like 3 times more magnets on it, babe.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, that girl. Good job. Oh, look at that, honey. Ah, you did it. We got a 2-story building. You want to build another one? Another story on it? Oh, it's so big. You want Daddy to work? Okay. I'll make another story, huh?
A few moments later.
What is this? How much is this? $8 a pound. $8 a pound. $8 a pound. 40.56. So guys, tapos na ako doon sa Mexican store. Bumili lang ako ng pancit canton. So ito lang yung mga binili ko doon. Skyflakes. Tapos siopaw. Pancit canton. May dalawang sardinas, red and green. At saka yung century tuna. Kasi mga pantawid gutom ko yan para diretso kain. Yan lang. So, next is pupunta naman ako sa kabilang store. Okay.
A few moments later.
Banana? You want some banana? Banana. Yeah. Wow. Apple juice. Organic. Na, diluwa naman. Look, we're gonna paint, eh?
A few moments later.
Kailangan kong bumili ng socks para kay Dio. You're gonna stay there. Oh no, you're gonna stay there. Hello guys! So tapos na kami sa Walmart. Ang una naming pinuntahan, ako tsaka baby. Pinuntahan ko namin yung Mexican store, tapos Aldi, tapos Walmart. And then next, going home. Alright, I'm gonna go home now. Close the door. Thank you. Hi. What's up, Dion? Uy, you follow mama? Oh, can you please clean the driveway, anak? Oh, clean the driveway.
Because we're making a car.
Yeah, I cannot get in. There's in the driveway. Michael, clean the driveway.
Go inside.
You need to clean the driveway first, and then you're gonna come here. Go clean the driveway. Clean it up. Yeah.
This black thing stop, and the one says go.
Okay.
If I turn this to this side, you will go. If I
Okay.
turn it to this side, stop.
Okay. Okay, clean up, Michael.
Alright.
Good job, Dion. Ready? Go? Alright, I'm gonna go. That means go?
Yes.
Okay. That means go. Thank you, Dion, for cleaning. Michael, thank you. Oh, be careful, ha? I'm gonna go inside the garage.
It's washes, so I'm gonna.
Oh, the garage door is open.
Okay, Mama.
Thank you, boys, for guiding mommy. Stop? Okay. Thank you, boys. Okay, Dion, turn it off.
Turn it off. Turn it off.
Alright, Dion. Thank you, Dion.
Why they eat? Oh, these little popcorn, so now you need to grab it too. Yeah. Why are you doing that little too? Yeah. Finish it. I rip it. Wait, we need one paper.
Hey, Sophia, sit down. Close the door. Thank you. Excuse me, Sophia.
Yeah, she went to build. She's gonna build second story. You can do it. There you go.
Want some? What does it taste like? What does it taste like, Mama? It's good?
Lemon.
Lemon plus water, Mama. What's lemon plus water equals?
Lemonade.
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 Mama, don't forget. Ginger.
Oh, I heard like that.
Ginger in there, Mama. Mama, I'm putting ginger in there. Mama, I'm putting ginger in there. Look. I'm putting ginger. And what does that taste taste like, Mama? If you put ginger?
Spicy. Let's add ginger. Okay.
Mama, that mixed up with ginger. That mixed up with ginger, Mama.
Okay.
It mixed up with ginger. That's what it is. Mixed up with ginger.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, follow, like, and comment. See you on my next vlog.